What did you just tell me you're gonna do? You're gonna lock me in there?
Yeah, I can.
Why is it blurry? Nice.
Watch.
Okay, creepy child, I'm hiking on. Nope, I'm not joking. Anyone who knocks, knock, 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 on the door of the boathouse will be chased down by the faceless swan. How do you think it sees to track you down? It doesn't have a face. It has eyes on it.
Oh my God.
But this just in, I was mouth breathing in the forest, which you shouldn't do in the spring, and I sucked in some sort of bug and started choking so bad that I actually pulled the chest muscle out. And yeah, I was like, just like visual TMI, snot flying everywhere and couldn't catch my breath, and it felt like my throat was on fire and no idea what I swallowed.
Oh, tell the story when you were back in the tent.
What?
Tell what I just did.
And then Abby choked on her water because she didn't realize that the lyrics to "There Once Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed a Fly" have changed because kids nowadays can't handle, I guess, the real words. There once was a lady who swallowed a fly. I don't know why. Perhaps she'll die. But they've changed it to not be so scary. Oh my God, I'm still choking. To be continued. Strange conversations we have hiking. Abby found a hole, and I told her it came from a one-legged horse. So of course we had to have a whole philosophical conversation about a one-legged horse.
And I think the leg should be in the stomach right here.
Oh, the leg is in the stomach.
So going out of the way here.
Your belly button? Nice. Ew, you're dirty. Ew. Hey, what got it? What happened to you?
Can I take a picture or something?